All right, you guys, we're going to give you a turbo update. So where are the turbos? We understand that our turbos are being shipped and we should receive them by the end of February 2023. That means that we're going to be shipping them to you mid-March, end of March. We are finalizing all the little details because we want you to have a very professional, comprehensive, dialed, detailed, great kit. So all the little things from these turbo wastegate relocating or clocking brackets to really special washers that we're in the process of manufacturing for you. All the little tiny details. It takes a lot to really make a comprehensive professional kit, and that's what we're doing for you. So hang in there with us. We're almost there, and you're just about to receive your new turbo kit from Jet Motors. If you haven't placed a pre-order for $100, it is refundable, that $100, if you change your mind or you want to do something else. But you need to log into our website and put in your $100 pre-order, because if you don't, you're not going to get one. We are going to sell out. So please log in, get your $100 pre-order so that you get on the list and get yourself one of these fantastic turbo kits. And we look forward to shipping them to you soon.